Well, here in Eagle Rock, this ADU was experiencing major water intrusion. We want to show you what we have done in order to mitigate the issue. So we excavated 3 feet below. We waterproof the ADU with 2 types. We installed multiple perforated pipes. We installed surface drainage, and everything is heading to the back. This is our sump pump pit, about 6-7 feet deep. Let me show you the other side. Over here the same. As you can see, we have a few perforated pipes. We have a surface drainage as well. Everything is running to the pump pit over here. And now let me show you the front, where we installed the discharge line. It's running all the way here, and it's going here all the way by the side yard. Let me show you the drainage emitter, and it's coming off the street right here. You can see we tested the pump a few times. It's dispensing water to the street the way it should be. This is it.